The error code CCID071 means that one of the brake pad wear sensor is destroyed in your vehicle, and the brake pads on that wheel, as well as the sensor itself, require replacement. Mini Cooper vehicles inherited BMW brake pad wear indication system, and they use the sensors that get destroyed once the brake pads reach the end of their life. Usually you will just need one sensor because the other three won't yet be destroyed, but mechanics commonly recommend buying all four sensors to avoid issue in the future. Anyway, without replacing the affected sensor, you will not be able to reset the brake pad warning light, and so this is what you need to remember. Once the new pads and sensors are installed, you will also need to reset the system. In different generations and models, the reset may be carried out in a different way. Here's how you can do it for the first generation of the Countryman made between 2010 and 2016, for example. Turn on the ignition or the engine. Press and hold the trip reset button for about 5 seconds. You will enter the service reset menu. Now release the trip reset button. Press the button on the edge of the turn signal stall briefly, and you will go to other items of the service reset menu. Keep pressing until you see the front brakes and then the rear brakes pictogram. Once you see the front brakes, press and hold the button on the stalk till the system offers the reset. Now press and hold the stalk button again and you will see a little clock pictogram. This means that the service is being reset. Then do the same for the rear brakes. After that, given that none of the brake pad wear sensors is damaged and the system is reset, you will not see the CCID071 code and brake warning light anymore.